up, guys? It's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. I am here at Hard Rock Hotel. I'm walking over to Islands of Adventure right now to ride VelociCoaster for the very first time. Hagrid is my favorite ride here. So being able to actually ride VelociCoaster, something I know is gonna be good. Hagrid, I really wasn't sure. I knew it was gonna be fun. I didn't know it was gonna be my favorite ride. But here, I know VelociCoaster is gonna beat Hagrid out for me. I just know it. I have high expectations. People have already written it and they already said it's amazing. So I'm really looking forward to it. So I was just thinking, you know, we've all had a rough year. Everybody has their own story of how rough the last year and a month has been, or however long it's been. And they slowed the work down, and they pushed Epic Universe back, and it's just like, everybody's kind of had a rough time. And I feel like this is our time. This is VelociCoaster. We finally get our chance to be uplifted, just a little bit. And today's the day for me. I know some people were able to ride it yesterday. Some people have reservations for the next couple days. But for today, it's me. I'm a little bit late. I don't care. When I did my reservation, there was a lot of issues people were having trying to get it. I went and got my reservation, hit enter, and it says all the spots are full. I'm like, no. I literally went on hours later. They opened them up at like 1:30, I think, in the afternoon. And at 6 o'clock, I went on there and I just randomly clicked the website, just come on. And then all the spots were back open. So I just click, got the first one. Monday morning, here I am. My reservation is for 11 o'clock. I am here, it is at 10:36, and I have from 11 to 11:30 to come. And I'm almost there. I'm so excited. I literally can't wait. I know this is gonna be my favorite day of the year so far. So I'm so excited. So it's a random Monday in the middle of May. We used to be able to actually rely on days like this for it to be slow. But I guess since everybody's working from home, kids are working school from home and all that stuff, so people are able to take more time. I don't know. It's pretty busy. Dr. Doom was at 25 minutes at 10 o'clock in the morning, and that's actually pretty rare. So for a weekday in May, I mean, so I don't know. I guess it's good for Universal. Can't really rely on old habits, I guess, from before, pre-COVID. So I don't know. Guess who's back? So Camp Jurassic is back open for the kids. If you guys didn't know, I actually started a kids channel just here recently called BluBear. It is very goofy, but if you guys have some kids, maybe they'll enjoy it. Go ahead and click the link in the description to check it out. It'd be huge for us. We have to get to 1,000 subscribers before we can start monetizing. So if you guys if you got some kids, I'm sure they'll enjoy it. Go ahead in the description and click to subscribe. For the first time.
Close encounter. Scan your ticket at an available station, and the screen will indicate which locker is assigned to that ticket. You won't be returning to these rooms. You remember that number, symbol, or color to retrieve your items. You must put all of your loose items, except the park ticket, in the locker. Don't forget to empty your pockets. You will be going through metal detection.
I didn't have time to mentally prepare for the awesomeness of that ride. Seriously, so good. Oh my gosh, the launches were insane. The raptors everywhere on the ride. Oh my gosh, guys, this is gonna be an epic opening. This with Hagrid at the same park. Oh my gosh, so good. So it looks like they have bigger lockers down here if you have larger bags, but the smaller ones are upstairs, so they recommend you bring smaller bags, but you have this as an option. All right, so just got off the ride. Got to chill and actually look at it a little bit and think about it a little bit. I honestly had an absolute blast. Super honesty time. I didn't like it as much as Hagrid. It is, I mean, right there with it. But in my head, I'm thinking, man, I kind of like Hagrid a little bit more. It was incredible. The velociraptors everywhere, the launches, everything was incredible. But that honestly shows you how good Hagrid is too, is that it can compete with something like this. Again, the margin is razor thin, but I think Hagrid's slightly better. But this, oh my gosh, to have this, like I said before, in addition to Hagrid is incredible. Like, I don't know, the other parks are really gonna have to step it up because they just keep pumping them out. And the fact that they were able to add this in addition to all the rides they already have, they didn't have to take one away and replace it like they typically have to do. Awesome job, Universal. Thank you for this. Thank you for all the hard work, working through Corona to get it built. Incredible, incredible job. All right, so it's 11:22. Hagrid says it's a 110-minute wait. So I'm gonna give it the true test and see if it really is, and also compare it to VelociCoaster. Try to ride both in the same day, see if I'm still there in the same mindset, so I can actually compare them two correctly. So 108 getting off of Hagrid, really close to the 110-minute mark that was posted. So that proves my theory wrong that they always do it a little bit higher. It's almost right on point. But having ridden Hagrid the same day as VelociCoaster, I still stand by it. I legitimately think it's about the same. It's about the same, but I think Hagrid's a little bit better than VelociCoaster. But don't let that sear your mind. It is incredible. Hagrid is just that hard to beat, in my opinion. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with us today and going along with us on our journey of riding VelociCoaster for the very first time. Oh my gosh, I'm so ready for June 10th for everybody to be able to experience this, and including myself once more. Again, on June 10th, it's going to be an awesome date. We're going to be here doing plenty of coverage. So if you guys come on June 10th, make sure you guys say what's up. So according to this stat, 98.6% of our viewers are not subscribed. So we have tons of videos planned and tons of stuff for the near future that you guys do not want to miss. So don't be a part of that 98.6% and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.